In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have auto reply in Gmail. Gmail doesn't include a simple, built-in auto reply that reacts to incoming messages the way many people expect. While there are workarounds with filters, a quicker and more user-friendly approach is to use an add-on. I'll walk you through how to find and install one, and what to check before you commit so you can get up and running with minimal fuss. Start by opening Gmail on your computer. Look to the right-hand side of your inbox for the vertical side panel. You'll see a small plus icon there. That's the button to add add-ons. Click that plus icon to open the marketplace where these tools live. This will bring up a search interface designed specifically for Gmail and other Google Workspace apps. In the search bar, type Auto Reply. You'll see a list of add-ons built to automate replies in different ways. Take a moment to browse the options that appear. Each add-on has its own approach, features, and limitations, so it's worth taking a careful look instead of installing the first thing you see. For example, you might come across something like Auto Reply Pro. That's just one example, but the process is the same for any tool you choose. Click the add-on you're interested in to open its detailed page. Here, you'll find an Overview tab with a description of what it does, and often a quick tutorial or screenshots showing how it works. This is a great place to confirm that the add-on matches your needs, whether that's replying to all messages, specific senders, or messages that meet certain criteria. Next, review the permissions the add-on requests. These permissions explain what access the tool needs to function. Reading this carefully helps you understand how it integrates with your inbox. It's also helpful to scan the reviews and ratings to see how other users have experienced it and whether the developer is responsive to feedback. Once you're comfortable, click Install. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. The marketplace will guide you through any confirmation steps. After installation, you can refer back to the overview for tutorials from the developer. These tutorials usually show you how to customize your auto reply behavior within the add-on, and they're the best source for specifics. That's all there is to it. By using Gmail add-ons, you can quickly add auto reply functionality without complex setup, making your inbox more responsive and easier to manage.